boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slide.
Hey guys, it's your girl Christina back at it again with another YouTube video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a bake with me. We are of course in the kitchen. We're going to be baking a vanilla cake, and let's get into it.
Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this hot shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner, till I D.I.E.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body is silence. My mind, my mind, and my heart. My body is silence. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. I know
your body language. See, we conversating, watching how you move. Yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We taking turns when I play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, but ain't got nothing to pay. Yeah, yeah. Wonder if you stay for a while. Never wanna lose on our time. You know how I need it right now. Come on, baby, take me for a ride. All I think about is you. And I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. Fulfill your desires, put your hands on me. Run your fingers all around my thighs. Play me like a key. Loving how you show me why you're mine. Come and take the lead. Play out all the things you had in mind. All your fantasies. Focus on me, then repeat. Make me hit that do-re-mi. Not a type of sit back, bodies in contact. Come on, let me give you all of me. Whether we're loving or fucking, placing our bed like it's all in or nothing. Don't mind if I meet what's your introductions. Know what to do when I text you, I'm coming. All I think about is you. And I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. Yeah.
Alright guys, so here's where we're at. I, about 5 minutes ago, leveled off the cakes, and I'll show them to you in a minute.
have each other's
We're about to make the
playlists.
buttercream frosting.
No.
These cakes,
Used to be each other's
they
best
felt
friend.
cool when I leveled them off,
Yeah.
but underneath it's still warm. It's
Now
not
we go
hot, but
separate
it's warm.
pathways.
So I'm gonna let them sit for at least another good hour, maybe longer before I ice them. But we're gonna, I have all my ingredients out.
And maybe
The
we could
buttercream
try it next
frosting,
week
and we're gonna put my KitchenAid back together
again.
and get
But I don't
some
wanna think
buttercream
we're
frosting.
toxic. But who cares?
So this is the situation of the cake. These are all the things I like leveled off of, and I've been eating these a little bit at a time. Look at that texture, it's so good.
This time, but everything
It's like warm and moist, and then
bag of all your
it melts in your mouth. It's so good.
memories of when I
I'm so happy that, you know, even though parts of this is overcooked, I didn't fuck it up, but it is nice
we
and
belong
moist and thick.
together, me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah, since our break. mistake. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, 'cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescription. Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
People around me dancing and laughing, but I'm cold as an ice cream. It sounds like a silent night.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what videos you want to see next, and if you've tried this recipe, tag me in it on Instagram and let me know how you liked it.
I feel like I'm all alone tonight.